I received two audio messages wherein one Yogesh Govekar, resident of Anjuna, was found asking the taxi drivers to gather near Dolphin Circle, Kalangu at 5 p.m. today. There was another text message, audio message, wherein he asked the taxi drivers to bash up one Paul Lobo, who is having a taxi flying for Goa match. My staff were on patrolling duty at Dolphin Circle, Kalangut, and also at Fatfish Junction. Meanwhile, Yogesh Govekar, alias Mugembo, personally came to Kalangut and he was found behind Kalangut Church trying to gather other taxi drivers, thereby creating law and order problem in Kalangut area. He has come all the way from Anjuna, and it was very important that police should take action, immediate action, to prevent any law and order situation. And I, being officer in charge of Kalangut police station, took him in custody, and he has been placed under arrest under 151 CRPC. Last month, there was an incident, in fact this month only, wherein 3 taxi drivers were assaulted and their taxi damaged or belonging to Goa Mice. Such incident can't go away without taking action. And we mean business. They should not take law in their hands. They should sort out their matter amicably with the government. And this is what we have done. We have taken action, and we are also going to produce him before the magistrate with a request to take to make him execute bond with heavy sureties, not to take such action again. Just stop. Thank you. They have not placed any video before us. Meanwhile, I personally received a video, audio message, and wherein this Yogesh Govekar, who had circulated video clip, personally appeared also in Kalangut at the given time, and it was very important that police should act, and I have taken action. If they have any grievance, if they have got any petition, they should place it on record, rather than thereafter trying to justify. There is no justification for this particular act. There are 2 cases registered against Yogesh Govekar alias Mugembo at this police station.
Thank you.